Good morning from Bali, actually from Seminyak, Bali. It's around 9:30 morning and it's middle of July 2023 and life is going pretty slow as always. As is Bali, life must to go slow and laid back and chill and everything like that. Holiday vibes in general, but let's see how's the situation, breakfast situation in Seminyak looks like today. Here on Eat Street, Seminyak. Basically this restaurant here, Sister Fields, is the most busiest place for breakfast and Eat Street in Seminyak. In case if you would like to join them, you can do it. After that, seems a little bit sleepy today. Not too many people yet, but well, it's July. Maybe it's not the best time, I don't know. And this is also residential area of Seminyak here. If you're gonna go everywhere around, there are so many villas and boutique hotels, but especially villas where you could rent them daily on Airbnb or monthly or even yearly. A lot of expats also living in the area over here, or eventually baked here in the mall. Also quite a lot of people, but mostly locals, and some people driving at morning, and that's the mall situation. It's open at the morning at 9:30 already. I'm gonna go to the main Eat Street, Kayaya, but after that not that much is going on actually. Everybody going just to the Sister Fields actually, that's what I realized. Here you go, really not that much, I'm surprised. Like this is the main corner, this is where I started today's video, at the front of the mall and the parking area. I went inside this small street where is the Sister Fields. There's also one place, one lady having a breakfast, but overall I feel little bit quiet, except that as the Justin Bieber is in the speakers wherever I go. I want to show you a little bit on the Eat Street. Maybe it's 9:30 is too early. Of course, the dinner time is different, but sometimes I want to show you also how's the Bali life look like at the morning, in the morning, not only at night, like a nightlife or sunset time, because, well, morning is also very important. It's actually often very beautiful. Weather is often the best, and the crowds are lesser. But lesser crowds, I mean not crowds at all, right? This building still for rent.
Don't go looking, babe, here I am. Now if you want a real good friend, or if you need some sweet loving, or if you're looking for someone who won't pretend, don't go looking, babe, here I am. Why just crawl when you could be flying? Life's just a flash, forever dying. The shortest space between hell and goodbye. There ain't no use to sit around crying for all I know. So if you look at life like from a side, when chances they all keep sliding away, there's just one thing to remember, though it's hard, no matter where you go, babe, there you are. Why just crawl when you could be flying? Life is just a flash, forever done. The shortest space between hell and goodbye. There ain't no use to sit around crying when we are all you've been trying to find. No need looking, babe, here I am.
But of course, time to time, somebody will walk, like the lovely family at the front. And there is also Cafe Revolver inside this small gang. Always everybody wants me to ask, show you a Cafe Revolver. That's the family and overall traffic. Like this one, shops with the souvenirs are also open. Regular stuff, what you can find. Actually always the same. And yeah, this is it. Oh, now it's like a delivery of the eggs, a little bit. of the motorbikes, but that's it. And this lovely family is going to Cafe Revolver. I should zoom it. It's actually pretty hard to film because the sun is pretty sharp. But there deep inside is the Cafe Revolver in general. And why I actually mention about the Cafe Revolver, to be honest, I don't really know, but whenever I'm making videos here or there, everybody always asking me, can you show the Cafe Revolver? So I'm showing. And then I was Google a little bit about that, and I find out that the Cafe Revolver is Australian owned. Maybe that's why, actually. If that make any sense, I don't know, but this is it. And also Drifter, surfer shop, very nice at the front. That's the Greek restaurant, also very nice, but I'm gonna tell you, more often I come in here at morning, it's more quieter. I don't know why it's like that. Drifter is here. Also on this street you can find some boutique hotels, but recently looks strange. Recently I'm trying to figure out which places in Bali are the most popular, which ones are not. Previously, Eat Street for breakfast was very, very popular, really. But not necessarily in July 2023. Maybe just it's not the month, like I said. But overall, I find out Skuta for the sunset is pretty busy. Ubud at morning and afternoon is pretty busy in general, especially in the area of the art market. Not necessarily Jalan Monkey Forest or Monkey Forest itself, but overall art market. And of course, Canggu gonna be pretty busy. Seminyak, it depends. Sometimes yes, sometimes not. Eat Street, sometimes yes, sometimes not. It's like various. And Legian obviously is not so busy recently. And then we have a Sanur don't change, even during pandemic didn't change that much. But let's focus on Seminyak today because this is the topic of today's video, and overall this is it. That's the situation. Yo, what's up? Thank you so much, sir. A lot of Gojek and Grab drivers waiting like a taxi drivers long time ago also for you, looking for customers. Italian job, have a two couple having a breakfast and one guy inside. Overall, doesn't look that busy, that's simple and simple words, which of course have a pros and cons. Depends what are you looking for, and depends where you're coming from and who you are, and generally what are you looking for. Also, if there's not too many holidays in Indonesia, there are not many local Indonesian holiday makers, Bali streets are definitely quiet because not many international visitors here. Except that this is what you can find on the Eat Street in Seminyak. Mostly some hotels, but they are pretty empty at morning. Shops, boutiques, statue, overall shops, a lot of shopping options, and the restaurant obviously as well. However, seems not so busy, just simply. At the morning it's so funny because if you watch my previous morning videos, sometimes it's actually really busy. Like I think I make a video like a month ago because I'm trying to come here regularly, like every few weeks. It was busy, I made so much, shots with so many people everywhere around at similar time, but not necessarily today. Also 1 year ago at this time it was definitely busier than it's this year. But maybe that's not the topic, why it's like that. It's just simply like that. Either way, that's the streets of Seminyak, nearly 10 o'clock already, middle of July 2023. And yeah, that's it. I will make some nice shots when some people are or something interesting is around, because recently I can film just empty street and time to time somebody passing by. Also, definitely I spot here mostly older audience for people just chilling and strolling around. Definitely not too many young people. I believe all the young people going either to Canggu, either to Ubud or perhaps Uluwatu, but not necessarily other parts of Bali. And even Seminyak is also not anymore. That's just my observation, but of course, as always, you can share your thoughts on the comment section as always. Alright, surprisingly or not, to be honest, there is not much is going on here today, so I just wanted to show you as always, as my regular daily videos from Bali, what's cracking around. Even Starbucks is empty, that doesn't look good. Anyways, I'm gonna go home. See you tomorrow.